Here's a question that came in from an email. It's based on one of the quiz problems on D2L. And it's very similar to the question we did in class where we were building ordered lists of length 3 that use the entry 1 exactly once. So if you want to refer back to that in the section 5.2 notes, you'll see another example similar to this. But the idea is that if we're only allowed to use the entry 2 exactly once, then it's actually easy to build cases. So case 1. It's easy to build cases by thinking about where the 2 is going to go. So these are supposed to be ordered lists of length 6, which means we're filling in 6 blanks. And so the 2 could be first. The 2 could be second. And I'm really not going to write out all 6 of these, but just so you see the idea, the 2 could be third, and so on. So we'll have 6 cases. Now, in the first case, I can count how many things are in that case by simply filling in the rest of the blanks. The 2 has to be in the first blank, but each of the other 5 blanks, has to be a number that's not a 2. As long as each of the other 5 blanks is not a 2, then case 1 will consist only of ordered lists that use a 2 exactly once, and it will count all of the ones that have that 2 appearing in the first blank. So to count that, I just think about how many options I have for each blank. I have 6 choices for each blank because I can use anything but a 2. Remember, I have the numbers 1 through 7 available in this problem. So I have 6 choices in the second blank, 6 choices in the third blank, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So the total number of options that I'm counting in case 1 is 6 times 6 times 6. How many times do I have it? Let's see. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Looks like 5 6s. 6 times itself 5 times. So 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is 6 to the 5th power. So that's how many different ways there are in case 1. So in case 1, we're counting all of the ways that we use the entry 2 exactly once, and that one time is in the first position. If I do the same thing for case 2, I'll get another 6 to the 5th cases where the ordered list has exactly 1 2, but now the 2 is in the second position. So each of these 6 cases is going to have the same answer, and that answer is going to be this 6 to the 5th. So if I add 6 to the 5th to itself 6 times, that'll be the correct answer to this question.